How to fix Roblox not launching on PC and laptop. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are gonna fix it step by step. So do not skip any of the steps for that and let's get started. So first of all, we can fully close Roblox. We can go ahead and press Ctrl Shift ESC and open up our task manager on our screen. And there basically find Roblox player here. Right click on it once you find it up and look out for the option called end task for it. And try opening up Roblox once again once you do so. Apart from that, you can restart your PC or laptop. It is very simple, but it clears out the stuck Roblox background processes. So you can look out for the restart option on your screen and restart it, or press the shortcut key for that, and you should be able to restart your PC. And apart from that, one of the most effective fix is clearing out the Roblox cache. So we can just go over and type in Windows plus R, and then type in local app data %. After that, type in Roblox. Once you type in that, and hit enter, and it will give you the it will delete everything inside the Roblox folder. So you can just go over and type in local app data, and then slash Roblox. Once you type in %, you just also need to type in / and hit enter, and it will open up the folder. And there you can delete everything inside the Roblox player, Roblox Studio. All the folders available inside here, and restart your PC and open up your Roblox once again. Apart from that, we can reinstall Roblox if it does not work. So I can open up a control panel. Just go over and type in control in panel and hit enter, and once you do so, you can look out for programs, and within programs you can look out for programs and features or install a program, and there look out for Roblox here. Once you find Roblox, you can just go over, right click on it, select the option for install there, and install it. And again, download the Roblox application once again on your device and relaunch it. That should work for you. And if you have antivirus or firewall, you can just go over and turn it off temporarily, and if it works, you can add Roblox to exceptions. And apart from that, we can run Roblox as administrator. You can right click on it, select the option for run as administrator, and do so. Sometimes you need to fix the graphic driver issues as well, because outdated drivers can cause the issue of Roblox not opening. So for that, we can go over and look out for Windows plus X and go to our devices manager, hit enter, and then within our device manager we can look out for our graphic drivers inside display adapters. Find it up, right click on it, select the option for update driver, and restart your PC once you've done so. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up if you want to fix the issue of your Roblox not launching on a PC or laptop. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.